Niagara Parks is proud to say that we are the natural and cultural stewards of the Niagara River corridor. Dufferin Islands is one of the most ecologically diverse areas we've got in the core of the park. As places become more and more popular, there's a lot more pressure on the natural systems. Erosion can take many different forms. Erosion is really about something cutting away at the soils, at the vegetation. We're standing on the completed project. What we wanted to do was rebuild that natural material that created that transition zone from the higher level of the picnic area to the water's surface. We used a large, I'm going to call it like a sock, that is filled with soil. That recreates that original edge that was eroded away. And then we wrap the whole soil mass in another geotextile fabric that we can plant right into. We keep a very close eye on the work that we do year after year. It's important for us to understand what techniques work really well, what techniques need to be adjusted for the future. 56 kilometers along the Niagara River corridor, full of all kinds of rich habitats. So the Dufferin Island project really is just a piece of that entire system. We want to make sure what's here today is here for many generations to come.